Ready, boss?
Sure, come on in. Hey everyone, Darcy here. Today I'm giving you something special, your own VIP backstage pass to our biggest achievements of 2025. No velvet rope, no badge check, you're already on the list. 2025 was so busy, even my calendar needed a nap. So come with me because we're about to step behind the scenes of 2025. We kicked off 2025 with support for our Future Crisis Center. In January, we received a unanimous vote from the County Commission in support of this massive project, along with $10 million to help us get there. From cops to families telling their heartfelt stories, to even our own patients, the support to change the landscape of mental health care has been resounding because of the work we do every day. Since then, we have purchased the land that this crisis center will call home, and design has started. ETA to doors open? 2029, but stay tuned, we're pushing for sooner. 2025 continued building the foundation of mental health and crisis care in our community. Mental health appointments and walk-ins are available every single day, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. This ensures patients and families can get the help they need when they need it. We also launched Operation Coast alongside law enforcement partners. Operation Coast puts police and mental health professionals side by side to support those in crisis. Since our summer launch, Operation Coast has supported care over cuffs, preventing unnecessary Baker Acts and not one arrest of any Coast patients. Together, we are transforming mental health care for all residents of Palm Beach County, providing a haven for care that brings the mind and body back together. We also made huge strides at Lakeside Medical Center in 2025. The district announced our partnership with Tampa General Hospital, Florida's leading academic medical center, to strengthen rural healthcare in the Glades. Alongside Tampa General leadership, we hosted 2 town halls, one for our teams and one for our communities. We answered questions, provided insight into the process, and discussed the importance and potential of Lakeside. We also graduated the 13th class of our family medicine residents in 2025. Lakeside Medical Center is Florida's only rural teaching hospital and one of only 70 rural teaching hospitals across 50 states. Let that sink in. By learning in the heart of rural communities, Lakeside gives residents an extremely unique opportunity. Since 2013, 70 doctors and counting will always carry the healthcare district experience throughout their career. That is something we should truly be proud of. 2025 was a historic year for our community health centers. We opened our Atlantis flagship health center, a gorgeous 3-floor facility designed for efficient and excellent integrated care. Atlantis offers a medical home for patients and families. Whether you need a pediatric dental care, psychiatric, prenatal, or a basic primary care checkup, Atlantis has your back. We also added Luminetics eye screenings, which uses technology to minimize additional specialist visits. If you haven't taken a trip over there, make sure to visit soon to see the beautiful artwork. This one's my favorite. Go find yours. This year marks a strategic inflection point for pharmacy operations. We expanded access to patients in the community and even our employees by accepting all major insurance carriers. So nearly anyone can get their prescriptions filled with us, just like any retail pharmacy. At the same time, we broadened 340B prescription services through the integration of contract pharmacies, strengthening both access and sustainability. So please tell your friends and family to see how easy and affordable our pharmacy services are. The Community Health Center team also earned countless accolades. We earned our 7th consecutive overall Gold Quality Award, placing us in the top 10% nationally among other federally qualified health centers. And as a result of our expanded mental health care services, we earned our first Gold Quality Award for behavioral health. Keep it up, CHC teams. The trauma agency continued getting ahead of traumatic injury with innovative preventive strategies. They launched our fall prevention clinic at Delray Community Health Center alongside FAU's College of Medicine. From medication management to learning how to minimize the risk of falls when you're home. These clinics are staffed by board-certified geriatric specialists to help prevent fall risks among patients. We also created a home safety challenge video game and added new Taiji Chuan class videos on our Prevent Falls PBC app, allowing anyone to access the full Taiji Chuan series from anywhere. The goal is simple: prevent traumatic injuries before they happen, and the trauma agency team is doing exactly that. Our Trauma Hawk teams continued standing ready to save lives 24/7 across all 2,300 miles of our county, alongside the first responders of Palm Beach County Fire Rescue. Our state-of-the-art Traumahawks ensure rapid and safe aeromedical care for all. This was further advanced by our new state-of-the-art Operations Control Center that allows teams to have eyes in the sky at all times. Our flight teams have advanced equipment and training to conduct in-flight whole blood transfusion abilities. Only 1% of aeromedical operations in the U.S. can do that. That's next level. And our first responders don't stop in the air. Throughout 2025, ground transportation teams not only ensured 10-minute response times for time-sensitive EMS transports, but have gone above and beyond to serve their community. While returning from a rainy transport the night of August 29, 2025, District Ground Transport team members Tony and Trey noticed a woman in distress walking alone along Southern Boulevard. When they stopped to assist her, the team contacted the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, who confirmed the woman had been reported missing. As a result of their public service, Tony and Trey helped reunite the woman with her grateful family. Thank you, Tony and Trey, for your heroic service. You all quite literally go the distance, and then some. Our school health teams also step outside the line of duty to help those in need. I also want to recognize one of our nurses, Luisa Lara, for receiving the Lifesaver Award from the American Heart Association. When Luisa was working as a school nurse at Palm Springs Middle School, a 14-year-old student collapsed on campus with no sign of a heartbeat. Luisa jumped into action with CPR and an AED and saved his life. Thank you, Luisa. Your life-saving actions are a cornerstone of the district's values. That same level of care spans across our school health teams who care for over 160,000 students in Palm Beach County by guaranteeing school health access across 173 schools. 75% of students return to class after seeing one of our school health team members. That is huge. You're not only keeping kids healthy, but ready to learn. Our Skilled Nursing Center, formerly known as the Healy Center, continued our streak of accolades in 2025. Named as one of the best nursing homes in America, the Skilled Nursing Center earned top national recognition from Newsweek and U.S. News and World Reports. You also earned the coveted 5-star quality rating from the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Your work reflects one thing: the high-quality care our residents receive from an extraordinary team. Speaking of awards, HR spent 2025 keeping our team ahead of the game, celebrating our positive culture, excellence, innovation, and leadership across the district. We were awarded national recognition from OnCon as a top 100 HR team. The district also received the Bell Seal for Workplace Mental Health. This award from Mental Health America recognizes employers who prioritize mental health and well-being in the workplace. And as a result of exemplary leadership, HR was also named Best HR Team of the Year in Palm Beach County by the Society for Human Resources Management. Every day, HR proves that supporting the people behind our mission isn't a soft skill, it's a winning strategy. We're going to need a bigger trophy shelf. Oh, one more thing I can't forget. If generosity were a sport, we'd be undefeated. One thing about the district, we always show up for the community and for each other. Not only did we show up as a force at the 2025 NAMI Walk and American Heart Association Walk, no one could miss us with those neon shirts. You all stepped up with donations for our 2025 giving campaign. You stocked pantries and classrooms for back-to-school drives. You adopted families for Hearts for the Holidays. Your generosity isn't just impressive, it's life-changing. I'm so grateful to lead such talented teams across our enterprise. Teams that truly care for all, both on and off the clock. I hope you enjoyed this backstage pass to our biggest achievements of 2025. And truthfully, we barely scratched the surface. We covered everything. We need popcorn and an intermission. Ugh. 2025 will be hard to top, but I believe in you. And at this pace, also in caffeine. 2026 has big shoes to fill, so it's time for me to get back to work. Seriously, I have a meeting, so